ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಂದ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ನನಗಿಂತ ಸೀನಿಯರ್
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅದರ ಹುಡ್ರು ಈಗಿನ ಹುಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಾನು
ನನಗಿಂತ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಲೇಟ್ ಅದ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Shini also okay. Very few students are logged in. Very few. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, are you able to see the screen? All the students? Please someone reply me.
Yes, sir.
You able to see? Okay. So, am I audible? Please unmute yourself and please do respond. Am I audible? Yes.
Sir.
Okay. So, very few participants: Supriya, Varshini, Seema, Pushpa, Priyanka, Pallavi, Janvi, Harshita, Deepa, Bhavna, Bharat, Archana. Okay. Okay, fine. Can you please unmute yourself? Yes, students. Hello. Hello. Okay. So I want this to be an interactive session. So could you please unmute yourself and try to interact, because this is a basic thing what we are going to discuss today, because unless you understand these concepts, if you don't understand the syntax of SQL, it's very difficult to proceed further with the theory concepts. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please unmute yourselves and don't create unnecessary disturbances. I want this this one to be an interactive session. Are you understanding? Please speak up whenever I ask. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please do unmute yourself and be ready to respond me when I ask. Okay. So are you able to see the screen? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So how many of you have downloaded Oracle and installed on your laptops? Let me know. Anybody has installed? Hello? 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 Yes, have you people installed this Oracle in your systems? According to the instructions, what are I shared in the group? Just respond. Hello? 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 Yes, can anybody respond?
Still have to download, sir.
Still you have to download. I sent the link right long back. See, if you don't do this, then probably it's very difficult for you people to understand the theory subject itself. I'm telling you. Okay, it has to be done in the lab. Subject itself is like that. It has to be taught in the lab. Simply theory, if I go on reading, you will not understand anything. Yes, others? Yes, can you people talk, please? Yes, Bharat Kulkarni. Bharat Kulkarni.
Yes, sir.
Can you talk? Talk
Yes,
when
sir.
I ask. Have you downloaded the software? Have you installed?
Yes, sir.
Have you
No, sir.
installed
Today I will
Oracle?
do.
Please do it as soon as possible. Okay. Priyank Karim,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
you're there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you downloaded the software? Have you
Ah,
installed?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's working in your laptop?
I didn't open, sir.
Okay, okay. Fine. Don't worry. I'll show you today with the demonstration. Anup, Archana, please unmute yourself and be on the line. Okay. Please
Yes,
interact.
sir.
Please interact whenever I
Still
ask.
have to download, sir.
Okay, fine. No issues. No issues. Still you have time. Okay. Do it as soon as
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Okay,
Link
sir.
as soon as possible. Yes, Anup, you are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you downloaded the software?
Yes, sir.
Is it working in your laptop?
Yes, sir.
Any basic commands you have worked?
Create table name.
No, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Let us start with the session. Okay. Well, see, I think I already discussed and shared few materials with you people with respect to Oracle, that is PL/SQL basics. Okay. So what we have to once we are installed, then you, if you have done the proper installation and all, this icon you can go to the start my programs. Okay, where you can open this SQL plus. Okay. So this is where how we start. See, in this first class, I just want to give you a basic idea about the basic commands. Okay, what are the basic things that we do? Okay, so basically remember always any data that is stored is always stored in the form of a table only. Table is the only form how we store the data. Okay, see during uh, this session, whenever you have any doubts, please do ask the question. Okay, unmute yourself. No need to hesitate. Okay, just immediately if you're not understand, if you're not following my commands, okay, voluntarily just put a query either in message box or you can just directly speak and unmute yourself and speak to me. Okay. So first, let us see. See, once if you are successfully installed this Oracle on your system, so you can do this. Either if you have a Fedora, you can configure this one in the MySQL. If you have Windows, then the link whatever I sent, okay, through that link you can just download and install. Follow just installation 10-20 minutes procedure. Follow the instructions. That's it. Okay. If you are successfully done that, then if you open, this is the first window what you're supposed to see. Okay. As I told again, the whatever the data we are going to store, the data is stored only in the form of tables. So SQL is all about creating and manipulating the tables. Okay. So now we'll see here today how the data, how the table is created, what are the basic commands, how to see the table, okay, how to open, how to create it, how to drop it, how to modify it, all those things we'll see. Okay. So for example, I will take a very first command. See, whenever you open, always the very first command what you're supposed to type is, remember, this is the screen visible for you people? Yes, please do respond.
Yes,
Or
sir.
okay, fine. So what command I'm typing here?
Select.
What?
Select.
Select star from tab. Semicolon. Okay, I will send the recording of this video anyhow. Don't need to worry about it. Okay, I'll be quite fast whenever I type it. Okay. So basically, this is the first command what you're supposed to type once you log in. Always. Okay. So select start from tab. What this command will do? Basically, it will list all the tables that are there in the database. Okay. So now I'll type this command. So you can see here, it will show something, right? Okay. There is some data. It is equal to just no tables. Okay. This is something which you will not understand at this point of time. Don't need to worry about that. Okay. Right now there are no tables. Okay. This is a fresh account what I have created. Okay. Select star from tab. Okay. Star means all. Select is a keyword. Okay. From tab is a keyword that will list all the tables that are there. Right now there are no tables. Okay, this is equal to 0 here. It means that right now there are no tables in the database. I have not created any tables. So now first we'll see, we start with very simple table. Okay, I'll take a simple example of a student database where the student information is maintained. And I'm going to consider some three fields. I want to keep it as simple as possible. So I'll take only three fields. What could be the three fields with respect to students? Can anyone respond? I want to create a student table now. Okay. What fields I can have in my table now? Yes. Someone
Roll
from the,
number, name,
very good. Who is speaking? Anup?
class count.
What? What's your name?
Anup, sir.
Okay. Can we have name? Anup
Yes, sir.
Kumar. Can you have name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Roll number.
very good. Then branch course, right? So
Branch.
I'll take three fields. Okay.
Attribute.
Name, ID number, and course I will take. Okay. I'll take and I will just see how we can create a table. Okay. Always to create a table, create create table. Its table is a keyword. Okay. Followed by what is the name of the table. So I'll give my table name as student. Okay. Then the center. Okay. Let me take the first field. What is the first field? I'll take name. Okay. Name space. See here, this is syntax what we are following. I think you have to refer that PDF what I have shared with you people. There you can get all the minute details about every syntax, format and everything. Okay. So here, this is standard formats and syntax what we have to follow. Create table student is a keyword. Then open the brackets. Okay. Then specify what is your first field. If you specify the field, next thing is you have to specify what is the kind of data you are going to store in that particular field. So you have to specify what is the data type, right? Name, data type. I will again, what are different data types that are available? Just go to that PDF. Okay. Usually we use 2 to 3 important data types as far as your lab syllabus is concerned. That
Okay.
is varchar, number, and date data type. Okay. So we'll take for name means we'll be storing some alphabetical values. So we'll take variable characters. That is varchar. Okay, varchar 2. This is the name of the data type. Okay. I will take number of characters to be some 20 characters maximum. Okay, then close the brackets. So this is how you specify the data type. Okay, field followed by data type. Then in the bracket specify what is the size. Okay, this is a limit, means number of characters allowed for this name attribute. Okay, next enter. What is next field? ID. ID I will take it as number type. Okay, number of 3 I will give. Okay, semicolon, enter. Okay, and course. Where can this is simple. See, we can have any number of fields. Any field you can add. Okay, this is some example what I have taken here. That's it. Course I will take the value as 10. Okay, not semicolon. Okay, now see what I have done here. Create table students. Okay, is the keyword followed by whatever the fields you have to specify, those fields which should be specified, okay, within the braces here, brackets, which are started here, which I'm about to close this one here. Okay, followed by semicolon. Okay, okay. Then within the braces, you should go on specifying each and every field of your table. Okay, so name is a field, varchar 2 of 10 is data type. Then comma. Okay, you can write in a single line also, no matter. Okay. See. Then ID is a name of the field. Number is a data type. Number of 3 is a size. Okay. Then comma. Then followed by course is the name of the field. Varchar 2 is the data type. 10 is the size limit. Okay. Then once you specified all these, at the last, at the end is always a semicolon. Now I'll type, okay, just enter. So you can see there the table is created. Is it clear? Okay, so that is a simple way how we can create the table. Okay, now we have created the table, right? So now we will select this command and see what is there. Okay, see here, before I type this command, there was no tables, right? Now I have created this table. Okay, now we'll see what select star from tab will display for us. See, now you can see there is a student table, right? Understanding? Now student table exists in the database, but still nothing is there in the table, right? For example, see, now I will type the command C, select are from, just a minute. From student. So this is the command. Select star from command. Okay. Followed by what is the table name. So whatever the tables are there in the database, if you want to see what is the content, you can always use this command. Select star from table name. Here, student table I want to see. So select star from students. Now what will be the output? No rows selected, because right now only table is created, which means the structure is created, data is not still entered. I hope you're understanding that, right? What we have done now, we have created the table, structure is ready, but the data still we have to populate. Still data is not entered, right? Still it is a empty table, which means what? Now the blueprint is ready, now structure is ready, outline is ready, right? On that which we have to develop our building. Understanding? So now this structure what we have created here, okay? See again, just try to recall what we have discussed in the videos. In the DBMS, data is stored in such a way that in one place we have the data dictionary or the catalog, and other place we have stored data. Understand? So this table structure, this is called table structure. What you can see, what is name of a table, what are the fields, what is the data type. Still, we can have much more, a few more conditions as well for this one that we'll see in the subsequent videos. Now we'll just understand basically how to create, how to insert the values, how to see the table. That's it. That is for today's session. Okay. So what we are doing here right now, no rows selected, right? The structure is there. Okay. Just to see just structure of a table, we use the command describe DESC. Okay. DESC space student semicolon. See, that will display what is the structure of our table, right? See, DES stands for describe table. Basically, this will display what is the structure of your table. That's it. Okay. See, in the first column, it will list all the fields. Second column, now this is basically constraints. At this point of time, don't worry what exactly is this. Later, we are going to discuss about that. Type is data type. These are the data types for corresponding fields, which you can see here, right? Okay. Now, table is created, but the data is still not inserted, right? So now let us see how to insert the data. Okay, for that there is a command, that is insert table command. We'll see how it works. Insert into student space values. Okay, open the bracket. So this is the keyword. This is syntax which you have to follow. Insert into is a keyword. This is the name of a table. Values is a keyword that has to be followed by what are the values for each of these fields here. Right? You have specified 3 columns for your table, right? Which means that for each row you have to insert 3 values, right? So here always keep in mind, based on the data type, you have to specify the values, okay, in this statement, where the alphabetical values or character values should be represented within the single quotes, whereas numerical values are specified directly. For example, here I will name very first just okay, first value I'll give name as ABC. Okay, okay. It has separated by comma. Every values in a row has to be separated by the comma, that you should know. This is first value is for name. Okay, it is varchar data type. So I specify that within single quotes followed by comma. So ID number is 101. Okay, comma. Then course CSC I'll give. Okay, try to understand the meaning here. See, 3 values are there for my table. I'm entering these 3 values. Okay, see the command insert into table name. What is the table name here? Student is the table name. Okay, values is a keyword. What are the values? For first name, say this is the value. First field, that is name. Second field is ID. For this ID, this is the value. For course, This is the value. Okay. Since see, this alphabetical values, the character values are represented in single quotes. Numerical values are specified directly. Okay. Semicolon enter. Okay. See now you can see this one row is created. Right. One row is created. Okay. Now we'll see what this command will, how to see this table now. Now one row we have inserted, right? Now if you select the table, you should be able to see that one row that is there, right? Now just retake this. See now you can see name, ID codes. Now your table is ready for viewing. Okay, your data is there. Understanding? Similarly, let us insert one more row. Okay, insert into student is values ABC. Oh, sorry, ABC is over now. Different name. ELN. First, not to ECE. Okay. So now second row is created. Okay. So now second row is created. Similarly, we'll create 3-4 rows. Okay, that we'll see. For that, I'll use the command ed. Okay, as a shortcut command. You learn all these things over a period of time. No need to worry. Okay, we call it as editor. Okay. There, if you go to the editor, always the previously executed command exists. Using away from the shared. Okay, now. Okay, if I share this, then sharing becomes a problem. Better, I'll just type all the commands here. Dot worry. Once again, I will type the command insert to student values into quotes. Okay, PQR. Okay, now 103, comma, now electrical EEE. Okay, this is the course. Done. Okay, semicolon, enter. One row is created. Right. So totally how many rows are there now? Right now, up to 3 rows are there, right? Create 2 more. Okay, insert into student space values EFG 04. Okay, then I'll name it as civil. Okay, semicolon, enter. One row is created. Okay, similarly, insert into student values. Okay, so there's no space actually. This is 105. Now we'll take mechanical. Okay, okay, semicolon, enter. See, totally now we have entered few rows of data. Okay, now we'll see what is the output of this statement now. So you can see your whole table is ready. All the data, whatever you entered now, is stored in the database. It is now available in the database. Okay. Yes. Are you able to see? Are you guys following? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a basic command. Okay. Now see. select star select statement is used to you basically used to display the content whatever you specify in the select. Okay, that will come again. This syntax itself has many different comes with many different options. We'll explore those options later. Okay, at this point of time, I want just you people to know how to create table and insert the values. Understanding? See, now we have done that. Okay, we have created the table. Now we have inserted the values. Okay, now we also are able to display the table, right? So what are the three important commands that we discussed? Create table, insert table, select statement. Understanding? Okay, now see the table exists now. For the existing table, see creating table, inserting values, that is one part. Okay, the most important or the frequent operations that we perform on database is always updation and what is the manipulation of the data. Okay, we keep on updating information, we keep on retrieving information, we take the old information, we update the new information. Like that continuously, the information will be flowing into the database or going out of the database always. Okay. So what are the different commands that we can use for that purpose? Okay. So before that, first I'll discuss another 8 minutes. Okay, fine. I'll discuss what is a command that is called alter command. Okay. See, alter command is something that is used to change the structure of the table. See, suppose now I have three fields here. I want to add one more field for my table. Okay, I want to add one more table for the one more field, so not table, one more field for the existing table. How I can do? Yes, we can always do that. Okay, syntax I'll show you. Alter. See, all these commands you can go through in the PDF. What I shared in the group previously. Okay, SQL tutorial or something on the PDF. I think I've shared with you people. Just go through that. You'll find all the commands. Okay, and all these commands it depends on the kind of SQL version what you're using. Depends in MySQL there is a slight difference. If you're using Oracle, then different versions of Oracle will support. There is slight difference that will be there with respect to certain syntaxes. Okay, just you have to Google out all those things. Okay, alter table student. With the command alter table student and number new field what I want to add. Okay, and this data type is number of semicolon. The table is altered now. What I've done? Alter table is a keyword. Student is the name of the table which I want to alter. Okay. What I'm doing now? Adding a new field. So add is a keyword. So the phone number is the name of the new attribute. Number of 10 is a data type. Right. Now we'll see what is whether we have done the changes for the structure of the table. So now how to see that? You can use the describe command desc space student, right? See, phone number is added already. There is no data still. That is fine. Okay, but you can see that it is added here, right? So what happens now if I type select star from student? What will be the output? Nope. You can see for these values what I've entered there is a data, and it's a newly created field, so there is no data here, right? There is no. So what are the commands using which we can fill up this particular data? Okay, that we'll see. Okay, we can use a command called update command. Later we'll see all those things. Okay, now I'm just showing the demonstration of what is alter command. Understanding? So now, how we can remove a particular field? Okay, always remember, removing operation is supported in certain versions. It works, certain versions it may not work. But whenever you delete or drop particular column, make sure that column is always empty. For example, if you want to drop name column from this table, name should not have any values. Name should have null for all the rows. Then only it is called, then only it can be deleted or dropped. Okay. See here, see see how you have to understand database means. See the first row here. This is table, right? Name, ID, and course. These are the fields. See the first row ABC 101 CSC. It makes some statement, right? What is statement? See, there is a student called ABC, okay, with ID number 101, who is studying the course computer science, right? There's a meaningful statement. So this is how you have to understand the database. Means every row in a database is one meaningful sentence. It should make some sense. Every row should make one assertive statement. Understanding? That is how you have to design the tables and insert the values. Okay. Now let us see in this version the drop command works or not. With, alter table student drop. This is the syntax here. Let us see. Okay, missing keyword. Alter student drop column phone number. The table is altered now. So drop column is a keyword. In some other previous versions, just drop phone number will work. Here that's not working. Fine. So this kind of minute syntax differences will be there from one version to other version, which you have to take care of. Right. Now we'll see what describe command will display. Now I have removed that, right? It is removed because the phone number does not contain any data. That's why it is removed. If there is any data, even this should have given error code. Okay. See now, phone number is removed. Understanding? Yes. Unmute yourself. We have another one or 2 minutes left. Yes. Hello. 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 Yes. Students, please do respond. See, unmute yourself and respond. You know, ask. Yes. Are you guys following? Are you people following?
Yes, sir.
Are you monitoring the screen? What are the commands I'm executing here? Yes. Hello. Hello. Yes, are you people following the commands?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now less than 1 minute is remaining. Okay. Uh, Shortly after under 20 minutes or so, I will schedule one more meeting. Okay. There we will be discussing a few more commands. Okay, like alter, update, uh, delete, drop, truncate. This kind of important comments are there that we'll be discussing. Okay, just take a break. Other 15 minutes, I'll schedule one more meeting. Please do join the meeting. Okay. So if you have any doubts, 1 minute is left. Anybody, yes, you people can speak, please unmute and speak if you have any doubts with the comments, whatever we discussed today. Yes.